This is ESP32. With the help of the microcontroller, we will make sound reproduction via Bluetooth. Can this project be used as a wireless speaker? What to take for the project? Loudspeaker 1 or 2. Cables for connection. And the heart of this project is the ESP32 microcontroller. Connection diagram. The speakers must be connected with one wire to the ground, the other to the GPIO controller. Now let's go to the connection and then to the programming. The simpler, the better to begin with. So let's take this library. This code will be needed for the project. Select ESP32. We can change the name of the device. Connect the device to the smartphone and test the sound. The sound is very quiet and the quality in average. At the end of the recording, signal degradation is tested. If you liked the project, then like and subscribe to the channel.